Canva creates presentations for you within seconds. Start off in Canva and ask Magic Studio to create a presentation about the powerful and bonding experience of surfing with your child. Magic Design shows you a selection of templates. I like this better, so let's pick this one and customize it. As you can see, Magic Studio already smartly and magically filled out the presentation, so I can move from my idea to editing in no time. To customize your presentation, select Styles, and I select from my brand kit the Surfing brand's color palette. Now I can go through the presentation and edit the color. But there is more. Click on Animate and the new Magic Animate. It recommends playful. There is also bold, elegant, energetic, professional, handmade, digital, grunge, and minimal. I think the recommended style playful fits best. See it for yourself. Let me show you how to automatically translate your design into over 100 languages. You might have heard of the saying, think global but act local. From working in one of the world's largest communications and marketing agencies, I know two things. 1. You can unlock new business opportunities when you translate your marketing resources into multiple local languages. And 2. Translating can be time-consuming. With Magic Switch and Magic Translate, you can translate any design into over 100 languages. For instance, from English to German. Surfen mit Ihrem Kind, ein verbindendes Erlebnis. You definitely have to check the translation, but it is already pretty good and reminds me of the AI tool DeepL Translator, which is all about people understanding each other no matter where they live. For Magic Translate, simply select the language you'd like to translate your design into, for instance, Chinese, and select the pages you'd like to translate by clicking the drop-down menu under Apply to Page. Incredible! But there is more. Let me show you how to turn one presentation into multiple social media posts. Repurposing content efficiently is a skill every business owner and creator needs. Amplifying your message is crucial to be seen online. Canva's Magic Switch lets you transform any design in multiple ways. Click the Transform into Doc button and select the format you want to transform your design into. You have 6 options to choose from at the moment. It takes a few seconds for Magic Switch to work its magic. And now click the Open Doc button. Look what it did! It summarized the entire presentation. It turned the thing into an email. Hey there! Today I'd like to share some thoughts on a unique way to bond with your child. It generated a blog post. We could now apply our brand voice or make it more fun with Magic Write and add our own style to make it a compelling blog post. A huge time saver is to automatically transform it into text. From here, we can copy the text, search for a social media template, for instance, a Facebook post, and now bulk create and turn our 7 slides into 7 social media posts. Manually transposing it would have taken way longer. That's why it is so cool. And yes, if you have 77 slides, Magic Switch turns them into 77 posts. Here is my bonus tip. With Magic Studio, you are your own art director and product or brand manager. In both roles, it is important to know your brand. If you set up a brand kit, you can apply your design. Go to Brand, Edit, and add a color palette of fonts for headlines and subheadlines. However, your brand is more than colors and fonts. Brands have unique personalities that sets them apart. Ask yourself, if your brand was a person, how would you describe him or her? Or if you have a personal brand, ask yourself what you stand for. Your brand voice is crucial to explore the full magic of Canva's AI tools. It describes the personality of your brand and how it communicates with its audience. So the AI can generate content that is aligned with it. Let's say our brand voice is sophisticated with vibrant energy, playful and friendly. We speak like a trusted friend who uses a casual conversational tone for playfully explaining complex topics. Now we can generate this presentation or any other text we'd like in our unique brand voice.